Bangalore, officially known as Bengaluru, is one of the fastest growing metropolitan cities in India and is globally recognized as the Silicon Valley of India. Nestled in the southern part of the country on the Deccan Plateau, the city has transformed from a quiet, garden city into a bustling metropolis and a hub for information technology, research, and innovation. The evolution of Bangalore into a world-class IT hub is a story of strategic policies, favorable climate, abundant talent, and consistent investment in infrastructure. The significance of Bangalore lies in the fact that it not only symbolizes India's rise in the global IT outsourcing industry but also represents the challenges and opportunities of urban development in a rapidly growing economy. With a population exceeding 13 million people, Bangalore stands as India's third most populous city and one of the top contributors to India's GDP. The city contributes more than 35–40% of India's IT exports, showcasing its dominance in the sector. Bangalore's infrastructure is a blend of old and new. On one hand, colonial-era structures, lush gardens, and traditional markets represent its cultural heritage. On the other hand, skyscrapers, modern expressways, IT parks, metro lines, and high-rise residential complexes illustrate the face of modern urbanization. Its Kempegowda International Airport is one of the busiest in India, handling millions of passengers annually, while the city's expanding Namma Metro project represents its attempt to tackle the infamous traffic congestion that Bangaloreans experience daily. The IT sector has been the primary driver of Bangalore's transformation. The establishment of Electronic City in the 1970s and International Tech Park Bangalore, ITPB, in Whitefield in the 1990s marked the city's journey into becoming a global outsourcing and innovation hub. Today, multinational corporations like Infosys, Wipro, IBM, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon have major campuses in Bangalore. Alongside these giants, the city also nurtures startups and entrepreneurs, giving birth to India's unicorns like Flipkart, Swiggy, Ola, Byju's, and Zerodha. This dual nature of Bangalore, as both a traditional city with deep cultural roots and a modern IT hub with global aspirations, makes it unique in India's urban landscape. Yet, this growth is not without challenges. Rapid urbanization has strained Bangalore's infrastructure, water supply, traffic management, and environmental sustainability. The city grapples with air pollution, waste management issues, and the decline of its once famous lakes. However, despite these challenges, Bangalore continues to be a beacon of opportunity and innovation. Its educational institutions like the Indian Institute of Science, IISc, Indian Institute of Management Bangalore, IIMB, and International Institute of Information Technology Bangalore, IIITB, supply a steady stream of talent, while its cosmopolitan culture makes it attractive to professionals from across the country and abroad. The global recognition of Bangalore is further cemented by its role in hosting international tech summits, R&D centers, and being ranked consistently among the top startup ecosystems in the world. With a focus on emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and biotechnology, Bangalore is preparing itself for the next stage of the digital revolution. Thus, Bangalore is not merely a city but a living example of how a region can transform into a global innovation hub with the right mix of policy, infrastructure, and human capital. The story of Bangalore is the story of modern India's aspirations, rooted in tradition yet aiming for a technologically advanced and globally integrated future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.